Hello guys and welcome to Game Plan Headquarters. Today we're playing Pig. You could do some naughty things with Obsidian Bird. Just have to find a vineyard. Basically.
Welcome in, hon. What can I get you?
That's good.
Just toss that on my back and I'll trot it to your door.
Alright, we need to find property. This could be a property.
If it's not right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy.
It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for.
Let's grab some income. Ooh, bronze upgrade.
We take pride in our
You
restoration.
could think it's this, but I think it's this.
They don't make these like they used to.
Too bad we can't play Boom. This must be better.
I should warn you, I'm not like other Jabari.
I mean, we could have played the shorts, because the shorts are properties as well.
Noticed? I'm
But we're gonna outscale with this build. I think we got this. I mean, we might die. We're not healing that much. It's important that they only got the single multicast here. Yeah, we've got this, right? Yeah. He's dead now.
Next time I'll show you what I learned from this. Now that's giving up the business.
I think I'll be happy with some max health, right? Crit is not bad either. I'm not gonna buy weapons though, so...
You picked that up quickly. Maybe I'm getting better at this.
Reward the peaceful, punish the
Holy crap.
warful.
I mean, I want them... We have to sell this. I lose the property tag though. That's unfortunate. I guess I could wait with this.
Use that for the good of all.
We could just find a bronze vendor and upgrade them. How many properties do we need to make this go?
Believe you'll win, and you'll win. But not against me.
Some crit on this? I'm actually down.
Like me? Here, have some. Are you going to eat some of those vegetables? You say old. I say thoroughly test. Our items have lived. They have stories.
This should be enough, right?
If you do see these tusks, right?
Didn't even consider that the bird could overheal. Yeah, it's a really good combo. He will be dropping next bird attack here. Boom. He also gets damaged twice, basically, when you overheal. When you use the weights. So the bird basically gets 40 damage when you use the weights.
If you're not growing, you're failing.
So, do we go here? Or do we go here? Yep. Awesome skill. We're gonna have to do this now to get some crits. Mwah.
I've got a lot of work to do, but this'll be fun! Turn the lights off when you leave.
5 uses of syrup. It's fine.
I'm a people person, and sometimes
Oh,
I sell
shit.
stuff. I get it. You're busy.
That's good.
Enjoy your purchase.
We can play this on board. Actual flail with this isn't too bad.
So, how about this weather where... Oh, you're leaving. That's good.
Jojo plus this is not too bad either.
Now, if that doesn't work out for you, come back for a refund. My
I
food
think we'll start with some extra
you
healing.
Eat the bones for stronger bones.
One 120. Yeah, I'll actually prefer this. The yo-yo deals so much good damage though. Is the yo-yo faster than this? Probably is. $105. $90. $105. Yeah, that's better. Why is it better? It's the same. It shouldn't be better. It's loot here. Oh, never mind, it's better. Okay, let's go. Yep.
My people believe in peace.
That was a little bit annoying mid-maxing.
Boring!
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms.
Actually, we should play the medium weapon. I'm not sure why we play this and this. That's stupid.
You've got talent. You should put it toward nobler use.
We won anyway.
It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for.
Kinda wanna do this one right now.
I respect
And do the
yours.
yo-yo automatically later with the boots.
My work is for the glory of Samaska. So, tell somebody.
Sure, could find a Jojo, maybe. I mean, that's
You
just a
wanna
good item.
buy that? I mean, excellent choice.
Looking for weapons? No. What are we looking for? Something that could buff this? Large items. Cash then. Do we beat Flame Jagger? I think we do. Can I even scale Syrup? Or should we put in even more shield? Actually, just lose shield on this here. This must be the thing, right? We scale the heal as well.
Fire is life, and sometimes the opposite.
It's not gonna go below half HP even. There we go, and we win. So we're gonna level up now before the next fight, which is very good.
Not my finest performance.
Alright, I'll do the yo-yo.
Chopper 5 vintage. New is for suckers.
We are far away from using that
They
one
don't make
anyway.
these like they used to.
I love this company. I love the company's owner.
This is so annoying. It's only because of this that it's annoying. Maybe we should ignore this. We should add another property for the bird. Skip this.
Those carts are huge
Play boomerang.
for a reason. Buy more.
That's just a weapon, that's loot we don't need.
Thank you. What else
And
can
then
I
we
get
save
for
gold.
If the Elder could see me now.
I'll take this. This is good if you play textiles.
You seem lighter. I think you had a breakthrough.
I think that's gonna work like this. Yep.
You do see
I guess we could play the proboscis now when we have...
King, not to squabble with
we
nobody.
could and we should play proboscis when we have marbles. I just hope I didn't sell them.
Bring her about! I've got another salvo in me.
Also, it's time to find vineyard to start scaling. Nice.
The Bazaar's a crazy place, right?
Oh, this is too slow. Actually, ignore this. Screw it.
That's okay. It was nice to see you.
Ladle's kinda good with this, but... And now I have to play this as well.
There is so much we can offer you.
Actually, we should have skipped cold room instead. Big mistake. We win anyway.
Have made your decision. Sealed your fate.
How do we...
Cast aside your destruments! Your aura guided me to what you needed.
Oh, I forgot to play syrup.
Well, howdy, hero. Hooey! Now that's a bargain. That's been sitting there 20 years, waiting for you. Trash is tragedy. Reuse everything. Well, you're doing your part to clean up the bazaar. Ah, the joy of more. Bring it in.
Should we greed and play this? Yep, we should.
My dreams are too big for you to see. Are you sure?
Wait. This guy...
Noticed? I'm huge.
This guy cannot crit, because when you freeze skin region it's a passive effect. So I have wasted the syrup on the cold room. Crit is useless on this, basically. I want to give the crit to the Jojo, but that's not possible, because the Jojo needs to be next to a bird. And we're not gonna play shorts the entire game, I don't think.
You are amusing. Why so far?
Perfect. I don't think we can make it above. It's good for cold room. You could also use it just to bump up cooldowns for feathers.
This money. What should I do with it?
Seems a bit overkill. We can kick this now for board space. I'm looking for this. I'm looking for items for this. Like this. I think I want to get rid and grab some space. Play this. We need to get rid of this soon. Meaning we do this. There we go. And we challenge, I guess, this guy. For this here. Nice. I think we're gonna use it one more time.
I've come too far to let you stop me.
Toys are interesting, are they not? Could be this, could be this. Skills are good too. I will go skills.
You have great potential.
Nope. I mean, we have this, right? I'll do it.
Care you do for gold? Your enlightenment is my reward.
Nice, we get an extra fight here. Please? No?
Now that's given up the
I think we should do bootstraps, or is it this? Actually, the only thing I care about is this, to be fair. It's gonna take a while to upgrade everything to gold.
Well, good luck then. The fire softens before it strengthens. Remember that.
There we go.
I should warn you, I'm not like other Jabalians.
I have faced 82 foes exactly like you. People are a pattern.
That's a lot of poison, but we have heal, right? So we should be fine.
If you think you've hurt my feelings, I assure you I have none.
How is this? I mean, it might be played later. I do want chocolate bars though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Don't be a hero.
Oh, the bird is misplaced. Whoops. Should be fine still. When this gets enough value, we're gonna skip the weights. We're gonna play balcony to the vineyard instead.
I'm sorry.
That's one extra property for bird and a lot of more damage. Let's buy and sell some items here.
Oh, I do miss it.
That's too expensive.
Go make some more stories, then come back and tell me. Enjoy the thrill of battle. If you can.
Great. Could find this.
Lithic markets, just straight boulders. This is more fun.
This is a proper... No, it doesn't.
Moving up in the world.
We could haste the bird. Do I care? It's a bit large. We lose property, I don't care.
Tiny Andy says I need to close them. If you're not growing, you're failing.
I would promise to be here when you're ready, but I am very old.
We don't burn though. Grab some max health and...
You learn skills quickly, but it takes patience to master them.
You do see these tusks, right?
In 100 years when you
We need to find some kind of
dust,
econ
I
producing
will-
item to sell more for the vineyard, like gumball machine or something. Also, the yo-yo is not gonna deal damage soon, because the yo-yo is based off of weights damage, and this is based on healing.
There is always a price for
Ooh,
knowledge.
that's close. If
You
this goes
have
off,
just
we win.
paid it.
I would spar with you, but this leg. Oof. Newful teaches stillness. I prefer action.
Should we skip this? Play this? Yeah, the weights are kind of useless right now. To be fair. Let's see if we can find a property or something to replace
Not
it.
all Jabalians are pacifists.
Discounts for peace.
Yo, chill.
I can feel our energies resonating.
That's gonna help.
You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this.
I would tell you who sent me, but there is no name. At the edge of the Foundation,
It's all about motivation. You gotta know
Kinda
what
like
you're
this.
fighting for.
Only thing I like about Jojo in this is the possibility of something like this. We charge this, which it will charge this, which will charge this, or these. But it's probably a little bit too cute. Two, three, 4, 5. There we go.
My people believe in peace. Boring!
That's a big boy. We might be in trouble here. We need more speed on the bird, man. Ooh, that's close. Jabalian drum doesn't look too bad now. It must be this, right? What character should have something good for us? I can't really think right now. We need speed for this, right? What character gives this speed? Duel with the metronome? It's not Jules, right? Vanessa has some friend things, doesn't she? When you use a phrase, friend or something. I think it's Vanessa.
You come under a flag of trade. I'll honor it.
We would scale some shield with this. It's not a property though. I don't think this is good enough. That's a property that gives this lifesteal. Isn't that kind of cute?
Next time we meet, it probably won't end so nicely.
We play like this. We don't play JoJo. We don't play weights. I kind of want to have the bird in the backpack as well. Island, because Island produces items that we can sell. That's a good Vanessa shop. Tool, vehicle, weapon. We have a weapon basically. This is lifesteal. And this is XP. We don't need lifesteal. It's this, right?
Ye look like cloud-top scum to me.
The bird is basically a flagship at this point. What the frick? Alright. We have too much crits here.
See me now.
Crow's Nest or Vineyard. Let's see here. Turbo on Crow's Nest is very good. Deadly is very good as well. So basically Deadly or Turbo. Or Heavy. I think we do Vineyard for the high roll.
What's your favorite color? Mine is sad, from mundane to magnificent.
I mean, not too bad, not too bad. We replace this with balcony eventually. Should we do this or this? This is great. 3. Yeah, screw this now. Oh shit. We lost one gumball, that's fine.
My dreams are too big for you to steal.
When we are finished, may I dissect you for study?
We hit for 1600 with the bird. But we are weak against slow. That's a big heal from his potion. Is he dead now? Oh, 21 HP. We're cleansing so much poison as well when this goes off. Just look at the poison.
Change begins
Crazy.
in the heat of the crucible.
It's probably a skill.
My lessons are painful. Are you prepared?
Ooh. Well, I'm not gonna play this for the entire game, am I? Don't need more crit chance. Crit on this. No, I think I do the charge
I do not teach
thing.
violence. I teach mastery over it.
Don't have space for gumballs. I mean chocolate bars. But we don't have cash to upgrade this. Actually, let's take this then. Sell one more. We go for this to charge this. Lord Arkan. Nah, it's not Lord Arkan. What we need is balcony, basically.
You seem like a nice person. Maybe too nice.
Oh no, I missed the value on this. Fuck.
Ah, the joy of
Well,
more.
screw this.
Bring it in.
Chocolate bars or something? Yep. No. No.
This is what I wished I could teach on Jabalia. Life skills.
The smaller the portions, the finer the meal. You're a smart one for your size.
4, 3.
Buyer's remorse never. Be remorseless. I think that suits you beautifully.
2. We did not get there. Oh, never mind. It was at 2. Alright, let's go.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? Hmm? My dreams are too big for you to steal.
Jabalian Drum should probably beat us quite hard, right? Yep. We don't beat this.
You can learn a lot.
Ouch. It was the 6 value we missed when we didn't sell.
Now that's giving up the business.
Upgrading bird doesn't make a difference. Upgrading this makes a difference. Yeah, that's a feels bad man moment right there. Please give us balcony.
Feels, not war. I'm so glad we could share this experience today.
When you buy a property, we don't have space to utilize that unless we sell this. I think we do this. Seems very good.
Use that for the good of all.
One ammo on it would be perfect. This would reduce the cooldown though. It's a property as well. Isn't it better than cold room? Cold room has some freeze, but that's about it. 20% cooldown. I like the stained glass windows, to be honest. But if we die though, this gets destroyed, right? If you lose. We need 12 gold. I'm not gonna sell this. I'm not gonna sell this. Putting the room on ice. We have to sell this then. Well, I'm okay with that, but we're gonna lose some econ.
You are enough, friend.
We don't have properties.
I'm glad you bought
If
this.
we would lose now. This would give this crit, better crit. Your weapons have double crit chance, so we just increase the damage of this by 50%. That's mental. So we have a dilemma now. We have to play this to give value, but we also have to play this. And I think we go with this guy for this, right? Probably give more than 50% given how chance crits work, no? Because let's say we damage for 200, normal crit is 200, but we get double crit damage, so we get 400 when we crit. So we just went from 400 damage to 600 damage every hit, if you know what I mean. And that's an increase by 50%.
But not against me.
Property items or chocolate bars. Since we have no cash. Why don't we do this? This is totally fine. Right, because it will only be critting half the time anyway. What do you mean? It's gonna crit every hit? So it used to deal 528 damage when we crit. Now it deals 528 plus an additional 264. So 50% extra. The question is, do we pick 1 extra ammo of this? I don't think this is... Okay, so what's gonna happen is, this is for 4.2 seconds. This gets used here. It goes down to 2.2, and then we, from 2.2 seconds, we're gonna use this. Yeah, and then we get 20% from 2.2 and not from 1.3. Yeah. However, this is guaranteed level up before the next fight, but that's probably not gonna change much. This is just too good. Boom. So these are gonna be 1 second now. Hold your hats, cause we go.
You do see these tusks, right?
I see
Of course,
the
we
ultimate
could be
secret.
permafrozen if we're
You
unlucky
get
here.
any closer?
Doesn't look like a freeze build. We should be fine. Yeah, 1.7 bird.
I must repeat the experiment.
So it would eventually go down to 1 second.
If you're not growing, you're
We upgrade this, even though it's almost the last day.
You had a chance at mask and steel. Now temper, sharpen, reinforce.
I don't think there's a single item in the entire game that would benefit us more. I mean, technically this, right? No, because it's a property as well. Balcony is better for more damage. This cooldown doesn't really matter. This will go down to 1.2. We should try to find a balcony just in case we lose. And balcony is better than this anyway. For this. How do we find balcony?
Yataria? The dunes? Where shall we start?
We go
That
here
belongs in a museum.
for
I
cash.
guess you can keep it.
Well, we're not gonna lose, are we?
Investment is building homes for money. I suppose I'm something. I bid you farewell.
$24 is expensive.
A wise investment, Mr. Pygmalion.
We could do some really naughty things if we played without the bird here. Just stack the value out of this like crazy. I wonder if we still win though if we don't play the bird. I think we want to challenge the property baron. And if we do that, we need this. I don't want to lose with this though. It's greedy. Boomerang. Is that better than this? Or is this enough to win? This should beat Property Baron, right? Imagine losing versus Property Baron now and losing the stained glass window. Please give us the double value for that effort. Thank you! That's so nice. And now we find... We don't have to pick the monster, we just look for balcony.
With no weapons? Leave with big your aura guided me to what you needed.
Should give this the crit, to be fair.
I can feel our energies resonating.
Balcony. That's not a balcony.
You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this.
This or balcony? Balcony.
Come on in. Let's chat.
Balcony.
Happy to make a sale. Sad to say goodbye.
I'm not judging you. I'm evaluating you.
Like, we don't need more crits, to be fair. Well, we don't have that much gold. I just charge a weapon.
I doubted a non-Sphinxian could learn that. Impressive.
If we win, we should sell all, but if we don't win, we should keep. Let's go. So we're gonna have double damage now in combat due to the skill we just got. Because the value of the property goes up twice now.
Boring.
Yeah. That's a big burn. And that's a dead pig. What the frick? Cool. 600 times 4, 2400 times 3, 7k. 7000 damage obsidian bird at 1 second.